For 2 long years, I've been driving an Insight that would randomly blink the immobilizer light, and sometimes the engine would die completely and not want to start. Other times it would start. And I finally found the problem. So, you know, the ECM is in the floorboard inside the cab, and the wiring harness, you know, comes out over here and comes down. And then right here, and this rat nest of stuff, if I touch it, I can kill the engine. So I have a short. I can't tell you how happy this makes me to finally find the problem. I have wasted dozens of hours looking everywhere, and even there before, but I found it this time.